everyone. Today, I will introduce one of the most beloved local wisdom from my hometown in South Sumatra. In this video, I will talk about Tekwan and Model, two traditional dishes that represent the culture, identity, history, and value of the people in Palembang. I will explain what these foods are, where they came from, their culture meaning, and why they are important for the community. Let me begin by explaining what Tekwan and Model are. Tekwan and Model are traditional food made from a mixture of fish paste, usually tenggiri fish and tapioca flour. This mixture creates a soft and chewy texture that is very characteristic of Palembang cuisine. Tekwan is shaped into small balls like tiny fish dumplings. It is served in a clay broth made from syrup, giving it light and aromatic flavor. The dish is usually completed with glass noodles, mushroom, and thin slices of jicama. Tekwan tastes fresh, savory, and comforting. Model is another variation of fish-based food. It is larger in size and typically stuffed with tofu in the center. The broth is also clear and savory, making it very enjoyable and satisfying. Both Tekwan and Model show how the people of Palembang are very skilled at processing fish into different kinds of dishes. They are eaten during family gatherings, celebration, or simply as daily food, and they are loved by almost everyone in the region. History and origins. The origin of Tekwan and Model are closely connected to the history of Palembang. It's a river-based civilization, especially along the Musi River. For many centuries, the Musi River has been the center of life, trade, and food sources for the people. Fish was always abundant, so the community developed various techniques to freezer and transform fish into durable dishes. This is where food like pempek, tekwan, and model began to appear. Some historians suggest that tekwan may have been influenced by Chinese trades who came to Palembang in ancient times. The name Tekwan possibly came from the Hokkien phrase Tiki Wan, meaning fish ball. Over time, the people of Palembang adapted the concept to their local ingredients and taste preferences. Model is believed to have developed later as a variant of Palembang but served with broth. This shows that the culinary tradition of Palembang have always been creative and dynamic. These origins highlight a long history of culture action and the adaptive nature of Palembang society. Culture, value, and philosophy. Tekwan and Model are more than just delicious food. They carry important cultural values and local wisdom. Respect for natural resources. The people of Palembang have always relied on the river. By processing fish into the various types of dishes, they learn how to use natural resources wisely and avoid waste. This reflects the traditional knowledge of sustainability, symbol of togetherness. Taiwan and model are often served at gatherings and family events. Eating these dishes together creates a warm atmosphere and strengthens social bonds. Food becomes a symbol of unity, creativity, and identity. Transforming fish into different forms shows how creative and skillful the community is. This creativity shapes the identity of Palembang, making it now as a city with rich culinary heritage. Culture pride. For many people, Taiwan and model are part of the culture pride. When people outside South Sumatra talk about this food, it strengthens the sense of culture belonging among locals. These foods are important for the local community. Taiwan and model remain important for several reasons. Culture identity. They represent the identity of Palembang. When people think about South Sumatra, Taiwan and model are among the food that come to mind. Economic value. Many small business and home industry depend on selling these dishes. They help support local family and contribute to the regional economy. Preservation of tradition. By continuing to cook and eat Taiwan and model, the community preserve their culinary tradition and passes them to younger generation. This keeps local wisdom alive, strengthening social bonds. These dishes are always present in celebration, gatherings, and special moments. They bring people together and maintain people and community relationships. To conclude, Taiwan and model are not just traditional food from South Sumatra. They are living symbols of local wisdom that reflect the history, creativity, and cultural identity of the people in Palembang. Through this disease, we can see how the communities respect nature, especially the river, and transform natural resources into something meaningful and sustainable. Taiwan and model also teach us the importance of togetherness. They are not only made to be eaten, but to be shared. When families and communities gather to enjoy this food, they strengthen social bonds and keep cultural values alive in everyday life. In modern era where fast food and global culture are becoming more dominant, preserving traditional food like Taiwan and model is very important. Thank you for watching my video. I hope this video helped you appreciate the richness of Indonesian local wisdom, especially from Palembang.